First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and hit on select subject. Now hit on select and mask option. Follow these settings in this manner. Press OK. Now hide the top layer, expose the bottom layer, select the layer, take the lasso tool and select the subject like this. Now go to edit and choose fill. Here select the content aware in contents, press OK. Open select and choose deselect. Now go to filter, blur and choose lens blur. Follow these changes here. Press OK. Expose the top layer and see the final result.